Okay, gagawa tayo ng halo-halo guys. Mayroon akong condensed milk. Mayroon akong dates, dried pineapple, sugar. And mayroon akong skyflakes. Mayroon akong sweet kaong. And mayroon akong yogurt. Tapos lagyan pa ng milk, liquid milk. Okay, mayroon akong fresh milk. So, mayroon ng ice dito guys. So, ice. Okay. Ito na guys. Ito guys. Uy. Nama, ano? Ito. Halo-halo guys. Halo-halo. So, nandito ng dried pineapple, dates, and sugar. Ito, sweet kaong guys. Sweet kaong.